Hi, good morning. I'm Neil Vincent Castillo po from JRU, a marketing student with a strong foundation in market research, creative problem solving, and I have interest in digital marketing. I want to apply my skills and knowledge to real-world projects and contribute to innovative marketing campaigns. I'm not totally want to work a company. I have a personal goal which is to have a business, but I want to I want to work at company to have a experience. I have a proactive attitude, a willingness to collaborate, and problem-solving skill that can help the team stay focused and overcome challenge and achieve success together. I see myself in 5 years is to have a business and not working in a company. Dahil una pa lang, gusto ko na talaga magkaroon ng business na ako yung magmamarket. As a marketing student, my career goals are to develop a deep understanding of digital marketing which is makakatulong sa gagawin kong business and gain hands-on experience through internship and projects.